Hey guys, so today I am going to be making a flower garland backdrop sort of thing, and I will be putting it in the backdrop of all the rest of my videos, and I will be posting once a week all summer long, so make sure you're subscribed and you have your notifications bell on. So we are going to be making, as I just said, a backdrop, sort of like room decor, wall decor sort of thing. So what you will need is some string. I'm just using this yellow embroidery floss because it's the only string I could find around the house. Use twine, but this will work too, any string. And then some flowers. You can do any flowers. I'm doing sunflowers and these yellow flowers because yellow is my favorite color. And you just need, like, I got 2 bulbs from the Family Dollar, so you can go there, or you can, these were each $3, which I think is pretty pricey for flowers, but you can go to the Dollar Tree and save money. But I couldn't go because Dollar Tree was closed and it's like dark outside now. And so yeah, that's all you need. And you also need some scissors to cut the string. Since I don't have that many flowers, I'm gonna make my strings pretty short, but a lot of them to have space. So yeah, I'm just gonna measure how long I want it to be on the wall and then be back. I've got 5 strings here, and next we are going to take our flowers, and most of the time get fake flowers because they pull off like this, so you just want to pull all of them off. Boop. Boop. Okay, and now you just want to take one of the strings and take one of the flowers, and you see how there's this little stick part? Just want to tie a knot around the stick with your string. So that's what I'm doing. And there you have. And you just want to space them out a good amount and keep repeating that. I'm alternating between the sunflowers and these flowers, so yeah. And you just want to keep on doing that. So I got a yellow Hydro Flask. It's lemon yellow, and I'm super duper excited. And I also am going to learn how to drive this summer, so that'll be fun. I'm also working this summer, and if I get a large enough paycheck, I'm gonna buy a yellow Conkin or Fjallraven Conkin. I think I'm saying that right. It's like a backpack. Probably seen it before. In warm yellow, because if you go on Urban Outfitters, they don't have that color. They have okra, which is like this yellow, but I want like a lemon yellow. So if you go on their website, they have that color. That's probably what I'm going to get. And if you love yellow just like me, there is a YouTuber, and she's like one of my favorite YouTubers. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Adeline Warren. Her favorite color is yellow, and she's like, I love her so much. She's a great influencer, and she's just amazing. And she came out with this song called Yellow, and if you watch her, if you like yellow, comment down below, and I'll put a link to her YouTube channel down below. Just like go check her out. She's kind of like amazing. Love her so much. She's amazing, and you should go check her out because like my new favorite song is Yellow by Adeline Warren, but I also like Sunflower, which is music that should be playing if I can get it to work somehow. Not non-copyright, of course. I don't want to get copyrighted. And this knot, I tied a knot, but it wasn't around the flower. So I'm trying to get this out because exactly the amount of string I had was the amount of the yellow. Oh, and I'm also reading 5 Feet Apart, the book. It's actually so good, and if you've seen the movie, also comment down below because I've seen it twice and it's so good. I am kind of obsessed with it, and I'm reading the book. I'm like 1/3 of the way done. No, wait, I'm like, I have this much left, and it's like this thick of a book, so I'm not good at fractions. That's why I'm in pre-algebra right now. Not very good at math. Oh my gosh, it's not. I'll go get a needle and come right back. Finished the first string. This is how it looks. And now I'm on the second string, except instead of doing sunflower, yellow flower, sunflower, I'm going to do yellow flower, sunflower, yellow flower. So I'm trying to make it kind of, you know? So that's what I'm doing, and you want to repeat this for as many strings as you want. Honestly, you could do your whole wall full. I'm just doing like a little section of a wall for like a backdrop for you too. Or you can kind of just do how many you want, as long as you want. You can do them hanging from your roof if you want, or like all the way to the ceiling of your wall. You can like really do whatever you want. You do not have to use sunflowers or yellow flowers. You can just use whatever flowers you want, you know, just be free, use your creative skills, and just do what you want, honestly. I did see this online, like a picture of it online. I searched it up on Google, not on Google, on YouTube, and no one else has done this DIY, and I'm like, oh my gosh, let me do it. And I just saw a picture that I saw of Google. I was looking at yellow aesthetic pictures. I don't know why. I was in school and I was just bored, and I just decided to look up yellow aesthetic pictures, and I saw this. I'm like, oh my gosh, video idea. So that's what went through my mind as soon as I saw this, because then I searched on YouTube like yesterday, and I didn't see anything. I'm like, yes, doing something unique and different and cute and thumbs up this video if you are definitely going to make this or you want to make this, because it's really easy, cheap, and really cute. You could also use this as a backdrop for pictures if you want, since it's spring. You can like do a lot of things with this. So kind of go free, you do you. That's what I really like about DIYs and just crafts. Can make it different and just do whatever you want. And if you don't know who Lore DIY is, first off, who are you? And second off, go watch her before you watch me. And subscribe, because she's amazing. She literally posted a video today and she did like planters, a graduation cap, and like fan requested DIYs. Sadly, I don't have Twitter, so I did not request anything. But I really like her. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. I have a lot of favorite YouTubers, but yeah, I really like Lore DIY. And go check her out if you have not. And watch her videos, because sometimes I binge watch her because she's just amazing. And I also, since we're talking about YouTubers that I like to watch like the regular teenage girls YouTubers like Hannah Maloche, Ellie Thuman, Ava Jules. Ava Jules is hilarious. I love her so much. She's actually my favorite, one of my favorites from the Dote like Squad. And I love the Dolan twins. They make me laugh every single time. Yeah, the Dolan twins. I like Emma Chamberlain. The Sister Squad. James Charles is going on tour. Like, what? But literally, not like VIP tickets or anything, but just regular tickets. I live in Louisiana, so the nearest place is Texas, like, and he's doing one in San Antonio, and they're $59 for regular tickets. I'm like, no, I can't do that unless I pay for myself, which I don't think is gonna happen, sadly. So I'm not gonna go see the Sisters tour, but if the Dolan twins went on tour, which I really hope they do soon, really soon, because they need to go on tour, because when they went on tour, their world tour, I didn't even watch them. So I think I was like young then though. So yeah, how many more? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. I have 3 more strings. So I might just do 1, 2. This is my third. Yeah, I think. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I just might do 2 more. No, 1 more. 1 more string, and then maybe. I think I have sunflowers in the house. Like my mom had like them in a vase somewhere. Might go get those. BRB. I'm back with 2 more flowers. And ooh, okay. Let's finish this girl up. After this, I guess I'll just show you guys the end result and put it on this wall probably. Yeah, most likely this green wall right here or somewhere in this room. So, see you with the end results. This is the end result. It's super cute. I put command hooks and stuck them to the wall, and this is how it turned out. I love it so much. I decided to do my outro here, and thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite color is, and comment down below if it's yellow, and yeah, and comment down below what your favorite YouTuber is. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!